Hey guys, today I'll be making vegetable soup, so let's get started. So what I'll be using today is some chopped coriander, some sliced ginger, about half of a white onion chopped, some sliced carrots, chopped baby bok choy, chopped celery, some snap peas cut in half, about 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 carton of vegetable broth, canned beans of your choice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some chili sauce. This one is optional. So let's get started. So first I'll heat up the oil in my pot. And then I'll saute the onions. Then I'm going to add some ginger. And now I'll add all of my vegetables except for the bok choy. Now I'll add the garlic powder, the soy sauce, and the chili sauce, and I'm going to fry it for a minute. Now I'll add the bok choy. And then I'm going to add the vegetable stock and 1 cup of water. Let the pot come to a boil and then add your can of beans. Cover and on low heat, let the soup simmer for about 35 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.